Is it time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we're diving deep into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on the 30th of August, 2024. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of August, 2024, our system has identified CrowdStrike as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced an increase of 2.07%. This equates to an average return of 1.03% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breach of the upper trend line at $284.89 may initially indicate a slower rate of decline, potentially signaling the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 35.55% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 60.95% to 33.78%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 63.20% over the next year, with potential returns between 35.88% and 147.22%. This translates to a price range of $376.76 to $685.48 after a year. Our latest daily update for CrowdStrike includes the headline, CrowdStrike stock price up 2.07% on Friday. The CrowdStrike stock price gained 2.07% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 30th of August, 2024. The stock rose from $271.67 to $277.28. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.94%, with a low of $273.35 and a high of $284.11. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.61% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 7 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.82 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $398.30, while the lowest price was $157.67. Currently, the price is 30.38%, or $121.2, below the 52-week high of $398.30, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. CrowdStrike stock has recently received a notable upgrade, with HSBC raising its rating to buy following the company's positive second quarter earnings report. This upgrade has contributed to a rally, making CrowdStrike one of the top performers in the S&P 500 for August. The momentum is supported by analyst confidence, suggesting that any adverse news may already be factored into the stock's price, indicating a potentially stable outlook. However, there are significant legal challenges on the horizon. Multiple law firms have reported class action lawsuits against CrowdStrike related to securities law violations, focusing on events from late last year through late July. While such legal issues can weigh heavily on investor sentiment and temporarily depress stock prices, the immediate impact of the rating upgrade may shield the stock in the short term. In the long run, how CrowdStrike navigates these legal challenges will be crucial. If they manage to address shareholder concerns and resolve these lawsuits favorably, investor confidence could strengthen, leading to sustained stock growth. In contrast, negative legal outcomes might drag the stock down, overshadowing the recent positive momentum from their financial performance. Overall, the next few weeks will be pivotal as investors watch for developments both from the company's operations and its legal battles. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 30th of August, 2024, it was reported that HSBC assigned CRWD a buy rating with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs also assigned CRWD a buy rating, but with a hold action. On the same day, BMO Capital rated CRDES outperform with a hold action. Additionally, on Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024, Raymond James gave CRWD a rating of outperform with a hold action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, JMP Securities rated CRWD as market outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to CrowdStrike stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also categorized as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have provided a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for CrowdStrike. Today, the chart shows mostly positive signals. The CrowdStrike stock is displaying buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be expected at $269.72 and $266.98. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, and so far, the stock has increased by 27.26%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot point is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Although prices increased during the last trading day, the volume decreased, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 3 days ago. The comparison between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 2 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike finds support from accumulated volume at $268.88. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.76 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 3.94%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.59%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let us briefly examine some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. The notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 26th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 97 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable influence on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $304.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, CrowdStrike faces its first support level at $268.88. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CrowdStrike from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2024, Henry Schein sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 15th of July, 2024, Henry Schein sold another 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George sold 60,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the same day, Kurtz George also sold 40,000 shares of Class B common stock. Additionally, on the 12th of July, Kurtz George purchased 60,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.039. In total, insiders bought 344,184 shares and sold 578,529 shares in those 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $269.02, representing a decline of 2.98%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is 76, further elevating this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom identified 43 days ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators suggest a positive outlook. Although the stock is currently in a declining trend, we believe that the present level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a fair likelihood of the stock performing well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, we anticipate that CrowdStrike will open up by 97 cents and begin trading at $278.25. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.